dash. This means all this information gets fed through to the rider in color and in a way that it's easily understandable. Thanks to the TFT dash, we were also able to include KTM RC. This means that the rider can receive incoming calls or switch through a playlist and listen to some music.
The RC390 and both now have a distinctive LED headlight. The functionality is greatly improved over the outgoing models with a much improved beam pattern, brightness and visibility for other road users. In addition to the headlight, we've also integrated LED running lights along the side of the fairing, which also integrate the LED indicators. The LED brake light also seamlessly integrates into the new sharp design on the rear of the bike.